collaboratively and teamwork. One of the things we are focused on is that every member of the team needs to be doing their part, even if one person is excellent. It's very hard for their team to succeed if the rest of the team isn't working with them.
For our item, we all needed to practice and work together to make it look good. It requires all of us to know the routine and be aware of the rest of the team and how fast they are able to go, so that we can stay in time. We have worked hard and helped our team members learn the routine. We hope you enjoy it.